Hi guys, welcome to the chickens channel. Should we go and see them? Let's go. Every month for 3 days I put that poultry nest in here. It's for after molting, but I use it as a worming remedy. Works really well. And then I put apple cider vinegar in a plastic drinker. But then, oh, they have eaten it. I'm going to put some more in there. Right. Because I've got 5 chickens, I need 5 these little pellets. These are what I run them with. And then after the day, which will be the 4th day, I then give them the apple cider vinegar in a plastic drinker. Don't put it in the metal one, it will corrode the metal and that's not good for your chickens. So hopefully this will help you. Goodbye everybody. Hi guys, thank you for watching the chickens channel. Subscribe, like, share, and hope you like it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.